My friends, we are with you in Lithuania, in Vilnius, and gonna explore the nightlife of the city. So let's dive into it. By the way, today is a Friday night and people are in a very good mood to go out and enjoy. And it's also 2 days before the New Year. Actually, I was talking to many local girls and all of them were recommending me Bardakas Bar. So let's come there. It's just right over here. Have been to these cool bars behind me. One is Bardakas, another one is Sanatorija, and both are very cool, so definitely must visit places here in Vilnius.
Из ресторанов, наверное, Грилондо. Из клубов Бардакас, может, или Румор. Ну, сегодня вышли в 8, ну и сейчас 2 часа ночи, так как бы, ну, мы любим подольше побыть.
А вы сами откуда?
С Литвы? Да.
Не из Вильнюса, но...
С Вильнюса, да.
Супер. А на русском свободно говорите, да?
Да.
And let's get into the Rumor. It's another bar which was recommended by locals. They say it's not so packed as other bars and you have to pay here €5 for entrance. Came to Piana Vyshnia, which is a Lviv cherry liqueur famous. You can see how much people love it. So many people, and it's not even Friday or Saturday. It's a normal weeknight. People are enjoying. Let's get in. There is a queue inside, so people cannot even get a drink directly. They have to wait. Let's look. Oh. And of course, famous decoration of Piana Vyshnia, you can see. Many people, many locals, also tourists. Here you can drink. If you try it one time, you cannot get back, you know. You always want to drink it more. And this bar behind me was my favorite bar before Corona. It was so popular, like so many guests every night. And yeah, unfortunately right now I was there also, and it's not any longer so popular as before, not so many guests. But of course we can understand, because Corona was not easy, like obviously for bars as well. But in general, the like culture right now in Vilnius in terms of partying is about like small bars, I would say. It's not so much about like real clubs. And I find nightlife of Vilnius is quite healthy, because they start to party, you know, to go out already at 8 o'clock in the evening and finish around 2-3 a.m., which is super. In Belarus it's a little bit different. We start to party around 12 and finishing like at 5 o'clock in the morning. I just was passing by this cool place, Sanatorija. So in case if you are very hungry in the night or in the morning, they work till 6 o'clock in the morning, you can come here and grab your kebab, I don't know.
Video blogger?
Yeah?
Am I cooking you off?
Thank you. And actually I was in Vilnius in February this year, and I recorded for you another great video, like best restaurants in Vilnius, so check out this video as well. And since I'm from Minsk, from Belarus, of course I have created a nightlife video review of Minsk as well, so I will leave all the links under the video somewhere here.